Hey, what's up guys? So launching on the 21st of August is the A200 Pro, a stylish and top-notch smartphone from Blackview. This device is going to be available for a very cheap price, and in this video I'm going to be exploring its top features and specs. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the A200 Pro, in my opinion, is Blackview's best smartphone of 2023. The phone has a stylish design and it comes in three beautiful colors, namely daybreak blue, meteor purple, and polar night black. The phone is also lightweight. It weighs just 196 grams and it is 8.55mm thick, which means the device is also very slim. The phone features a 6.67-inch 120Hz AMOLED curved display. That's right guys, the display of this phone is curved, and this is the first smartphone from Blackview with a curved display. The resolution is Full HD Plus and the display is protected with the Gorilla Glass 5, which indicates a high quality display experience with vibrant colors and smooth visuals. In the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP Samsung ISOCELL HM6 main camera for detailed shots, paired with an 8MP wide-angle lens for capturing a broader field of view and a 2MP macro camera for close-up photography. The center hole punch houses a 16MP front-facing camera, which should be enough to provide a good selfie and video call quality. The phone packs a 50-50 mAh battery with 66 watts super fast charging, which is impressive. The phone should offer strong battery life and quick recharging times. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Helio G99 processor with 12GB RAM, which is a decent combination for better performance, multitasking, gaming, and overall smooth usage. The phone also has a 256GB UFS 2.2 storage along with SD card expansion of up to 1TB. The A200 Pro runs on the latest Android 13 with Blackview's custom skin on top, the DocOS 4.0. It is Blackview's latest custom skin and it comes packed with added features and optimizations. Integrated in the device is a cooling system. Additionally, the phone features an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is amazing guys. This feature is what we see on many flagship devices, and this is the first phone from Blackview to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor. The device also features face unlock. It supports NFC for contactless payments, dual 4G SIM support, and GPS. I don't know how much the phone will be sold for now, but I expect this device to be very affordable since it's coming from Blackview. But if I am to guess, I think this phone might go for up to $300 because of the specs that it packs. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about this new smartphone from Blackview, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.